Hello everyone and welcome back to a tutorial video. Today we are going to walk you through setting up your Zoho account using an app password in Sandbuzz. If you are ready to streamline your email campaigns, this video is for you. So let's get started. First, you will need to log into your Zoho account. Once you are logged in, click on your profile picture. After that, click on Manage My Account. Or after doing that, Zoho will ask you for the credentials, so you have to type your credentials for the security purpose. Okay. After doing this, in the left side of your corner, you have to select security. And from that options, you can see there is a separate option for app password. So select on that. After doing this, you can see the application specific password. So over here, you have to generate a new password. So for that, you have to enter an app name. So for here, we are typing Sandbuzz. Then select generate. You have to make sure copy your 16-character app password. Once you copy your app password, you won't able to see it again. So make sure to take a screenshot. After doing this, go back to your Sandbuzz dashboard. Then go to your settings. Once you do that, you have to select mailbox and then you have to select add mailbox. From the option of connect to mailbox, you have to select Zoho Mail. From here, you can see you have to fill the details. So in sender's name, you have to type a name from which you are going to send your email to your client. So for example, I'm writing my name. In email address, you have to type your email address. In app password, you have to paste your 16-digit app password. So after doing all these things, you don't have to change anything in SMTP host, SMTP port, or encryption. Just keep as it is. After filling three details, you have to select on test SMTP connection. Once you do that, you can see the below details are filled by itself. So you don't need to change anything. But make sure before selecting on test IMAP connection, just go to your Zoho Mail, then select on settings, then select on mail accounts. Once you do that, in top options, you have to select IMAP. After doing that, you can see there is a checkbox for IMAP access. So you need to make sure you have to check that option so that you can access your IMAP. Once you checkbox these options, go to your settings and then select on test IMAP connection. That's it. The both details are verified. Then you have to select connect and save. And that's it. Your Zoho account is synchronized with this Sandbuzz. I hope this video will help you. Thank you so much and goodbye.